Hello friends, welcome to Talk English 365, the channel where you practice English, improve your listening, and learn with inspiring stories. Today we will listen to the powerful life story of one of the greatest spiritual leaders of India, Swami Vivekanand. His life is a message of courage, confidence, and dedication. So, let's begin. Swami Vivekanand was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata, India. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. From a very young age, he was full of energy, curiosity, and confidence. He loved music, reading, and sports. More than anything, he had a deep interest in understanding the meaning of life and truth. As a young student, Narendra was intelligent and sharp. He asked many questions about God, religion, and the purpose of life. Most people could not answer him clearly, but his thirst for knowledge never stopped. This search finally brought him to his great teacher, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a saint who lived near Kolkata. Ramakrishna recognized the spark in young Narendra and became his spiritual guide. Under his guidance, Narendra's doubts disappeared, and his life found a new direction. After the passing of Ramakrishna, Narendra and his fellow disciples dedicated themselves to a life of service and spirituality. It was during this time that he took the name Swami Vivekanand. He traveled across India, seeing the poverty, struggles, and pain of the people. This experience made him realize that religion was not only about rituals but also about serving humanity. In 1893, Swami Vivekanand went to Chicago, United States, to participate in the world's Parliament of Religions. On 11 September, he delivered his historic speech, beginning with the famous words, "Sisters and Brothers of America." His speech introduced the world to the rich spiritual heritage of India and the message of universal brotherhood. The audience was amazed, and his words won hearts instantly. From that day, Swami Vivekanand became an international figure, spreading India's wisdom across the globe. He spent several years in the West, teaching about Vedanta, yoga, and the importance of harmony among religions. When he returned to India, he inspired thousands of young people to dedicate themselves to building a strong nation. He believed that education, self-confidence, and service were the keys to success. Swami Vivekanand founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897, which continues to work for education, health, and social service even today. His teachings emphasized strength, fearlessness, and faith in oneself. One of his most famous quotes is, "Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." Sadly, his life was short. On 4th July 1902, at the age of only 39, Swami Vivekanand passed away. But in those few years, he transformed millions of lives and left a legacy that still inspires the world. Friends, the story of Swami Vivekanand tells us that true success comes from self-belief, discipline, and service to others. His life